Hi guys, in this video, I'll walk you through how I built an outdoor storage box. I started by measuring and cutting the 6x1 pressure treated planks to 32 inches long. This will be used for the front and back of the box. Now I'm cutting 2x2 lumber to 27 inches. This will be used as the framing for the box. I'm placing the planks on the 2x2 lumber we just cut. I'm pre-drilling the holes, then screwing them in. This will prevent the planks from splitting. These will be the front and back of our box. I am now cutting two pieces of 2x2 at 24 inches. This will be used as the framing for the bottom. I'm drilling pocket holes. I'm connecting the bottom frame with glue and a screw. Here you can see the box shape coming together. I am now installing the planks to the bottom of the structure. Clamps really help keep things in place. I'm also pre-drilling these planks to prevent any splitting of the wood. This section involves measuring and cutting the planks for the sides of the box. These are measured at 27 inches long. I am now connecting the planks to the sides. What I like about this build is that it doesn't have to be perfect. Unless you ask my wife. Now I'm building the door for the storage box. I'm using two 1x2s to connect the planks together. I find that attaching hinges correctly can always be tricky. After figuring out where I want the hinges to go, I install them directly to the door first. Finally, I'm installing a small handle to easily open and close the box. Here's the final storage box. It's not perfect, but it's exactly what we needed to protect our cushions from the elements. Thanks for watching.